नमस्कार. जेवून आलेत का झोप आली? नमस्कार. सो सगळ्यात आधी कार्यक्रम ज्यांच्यामुळे शक्य झाला त्यांचे आभार मानणे खूप आवश्यक आहे. निकमार युनिव्हर्सिटी, डॉक्टर सुषमा कुलकर्णी मॅडम आणि कश्यप सर, आपले कोणेर सर आणि निकमारचा स्टाफ, या सगळ्यांचे पहिल्यांदा आभार मानेन की त्यांच्यामुळे एवढा चांगला वेन्यू, एवढी चांगली वास्तू आपल्याला आज इकडे बघायला मिळाली. सर, मॅडम, एव्हरीवन इज ॲप्रिशिएटिंग की पुण्यामध्ये अशी जागा आहे. आणि आज लोखंडे सर पण बोलले की सच नाईस अ प्लेस यू हॅव ॲट अ पुणे. पण पुण्यातल्या लोकांना सुद्धा माहिती नव्हतं इतकं सुंदर आर्किटेक्चर आणि इतकी सुंदर बिल्डिंग आहे. सो त्या सगळ्या स्पॉन्सरच्या आधी मी आभार मानतो. गोल्ड स्पॉन्सर राष्ट्रसंचार न्यूजपेपर, सपोर्टेड बाय पितांबरी ॲग्रो टुरिझम, वासू रविराज, खांडवाला सिक्युरिटीज लिमिटेड, ट्रॅव्हल संकेत, अर्थसंकेत, ग्लोबल न्यूज, रजनास आर्ट्स अँड क्रिएशन. जस्ट गिव्ह वन राऊंड ऑफ अप्लोज फॉर देम. बिकॉज ऑफ देम आपण हा कार्यक्रम आयोजित करू शकतो. Before starting, I would like to ask one question. Students कितने थे? How many students are here? निकमा students? Yeah, good. So I want to ask one question कि आप लोग सच में स्टडी कर रहे हैं क्या? जैसे दिनेश ने आपको कुछ एक्टिविटी दिया, I will ask one question. सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, आउट ऑफ सिलेबस है. अगर किसी ने सही जवाब दिया तो मेरे पास एक बुक है प्रियंका चोपड़ा का, तो आई विल गिफ्ट यू. लोखंडे सर ने दिया है. So I will ask one question. Why did the painter come to work? Why did the painter come to work wearing 2 jackets on a sunny day? आउट ऑफ सिलेबस है बोला था मैंने. सो एनीवन, किसी को पॉसिबल है आंसर करना स्टूडेंट में? अदरवाइज कोई आंध्र वगैरह आंसर करना चाहता है तो भी चलेगा. Why did the painter come to work wearing 2 jackets on a sunny day? No one knows. Because the design plan called for 2 coats. It was a bad joke, let it be. Fine. नो इशू. आई लास्ट वन मोर क्वेश्चन. ये ज़्यादा सिंपल है, ये भी आउट ऑफ सिलेबस ही है, ओपन फॉर ऑल. प्रियंका चोपड़ा का बुक अगर चाहिए आपको तो यू कैन आंसर. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ नेल्स डू कारपेंटर हेट हैमरिंग? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ नेल्स डू कारपेंटर हेट हैमरिंग? यस, प्लीज स्टैंड अप एंड से. क्या बात है. गिव हिम अ इंडियन राउंड ऑफ. Also, do we have students from architectural studies? Architecture से कोई है? Architecture? See again, then this is open for all. What do you call it when architectural critics analyze a building structure? What do you call it when architectural critic analyze a building structure? Anyone there to answer? Architectural का जो ये होता है, उसको क्रिटिक्स वो एनालाइज करेगा तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? एनीवन? फाइन. अगेन इट्स अ बैड जोक, नॉट द इशू. इट्स अ कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म. फाइन, सम पीपल अंडरस्टूड. थँक्स. नमस्कार, मी डॉक्टर अमित वाघवे आपल्या सगळ्यांचं स्वागत करतो. अर्थसंकेत महाराष्ट्र ग्रोथ स्टोरी कॉन्क्लेव्ह इन असोसिएशन विथ निकमार युनिव्हर्सिटी, विश्ववंदनीय छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज आणि डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर यांच्या पवित्र स्मृतींना वंदन करतो, कारण त्यांच्यामुळे आज आपण इथे आहोत. जोरदार टाळ्याने आपण एकदा आपल्या सगळ्या मान्यवरांचं स्वागत करूया. Also congratulate all the awardees who have contributed to the growth of the Maharashtra and also their personal growth. As a Marathi business newspaper, I usually talks in Marathi, but VC madam ने बोला कि it's good if you have a conversation in English. So I'll try to talk in English. What happens if people don't understand what I talk, then that makes no sense of talking. But still, I got my speech written, so I'll try to speak in English. All other speakers are really much fluent in English, so that's not the issue. So firstly, I would like to talk about Nikmar University. The growth of Nikmar University over the years has been remarkable, establishing itself as a prestigious institution, renowned for its excellence in professional education and research, with a strong emphasis on construction management and allied areas. The university attracts aspiring students who seek to excel in the field. Nikmar's uncompromising commitment to imparting quality education is reflected in its curriculum, which combines theoretical knowledge and practical exposure through industry internship and collaborative projects. The faculty of Nikmar comprises experienced professionals and experts from the industry, ensuring that students are equipped with up-to-date knowledge and skills relevant to their respective field. कल हम लोग आए थे तो we met few of your faculty members, 15 years, 20 years, 25 years they are here. सो बहुत अच्छे फैकल्टी मेंबर्स है आपके यहाँ पे। द स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर विच यू सी, आप लोग देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, इंक्लूडिंग ए वेल इक्विप्ड लेबोरेटरी एंड डेडिकेटेड रिसर्च सेंटर further facilitates an environment conducive to holistic learning. As NICMAR continues to foster collaboration with international universities and industry partners, it expands the scope of opportunities available to its students for global exposure and placements. Means the students learning in the NICMAR goes abroad also, and 100% placement is their achievement. So one round of applause. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाती है कि 100% placement है उनका. The remarkable growth of NICMAR University Pune can be attributed to its relentless pursuit of excellence in professional education, fostering innovation, and nurturing the next generation of leaders in the construction management domain. So that's what NICMAR is doing, and I'm very much happy कि उन्होंने आज हमको एक प्लेटफॉर्म यहाँ पे अवेलेबल करके दिया है. For all present here, and especially for the students, I am a writer, author, जैसे दिनेश ने आपको बताया. So I wrote a few lines. There is one line from this. You can note this. स्ट्रगल नेवर एंड्स. हम लोग सबको क्या करना पड़ता है ज़िंदगी में, स्ट्रगल है. इवन इफ दे आर सिटिंग हियर, दे आर देयर पार्ट ऑफ स्ट्रगल. उनका अलग तरह का स्ट्रगल है, आप लोगों का अलग तरह का स्ट्रगल है. एवरीवन इज देयर स्ट्रगलिंग. सो स्ट्रगल नेवर एंड्स, इट बिकम्स बेरेबल विथ सक्सेस. यू कैन क्लैप. संघर्ष कधी संपत नाही, संघर्ष कधी संपत नाही. मिळणाऱ्या यशासोबत तो सुसह्य हो जातो. So this is a Maharashtra growth story, and I want to talk about the Maharashtra, what Maharashtra is doing from last 60 years. Maharashtra, also known as the commercial capital of India, has played a significant role in shaping the country's economy over the past 6 decades. With Mumbai at its helm, Maharashtra emerged as a leader in various sectors such as finance, manufacturing, services, infrastructure. The state is home to the Bombay Stock Exchange and Reserve Bank of India. जैसे निदेश ने बताया, we took students and entrepreneurs to the Bombay Stock Exchange, making it epic center of India's financial activities. You all know Maharashtra, Mumbai is the epic center. Moreover, Maharashtra has witnessed remarkable industrial growth with the establishment of numerous large-scale industries and special economic zones. This has attracted both domestic and foreign investment, creating employment opportunities and contributing to economic development. Additionally, Maharashtra boasts a well-developed infrastructure network that includes world-class ports like JNPT and airport like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. In Pune also we have a very nice airport. This infrastructural advancement have facilitated international trade activities, making Maharashtra a crucial player in global commerce as well. Overall, Maharashtra's consistent efforts toward industrialization and infrastructure development have bolstered its position as a key contributor to Indian economy in the last 60 years. I would like to share some interesting fact about Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the second most populous state and third largest state by area. The region that comprises the state has a long history dating back to 1300 to 700 BCE. A Chinese traveler Huan Stang first mentioned the name Maharashtra in 7th century. महाराष्ट्राबद्दल बोलतो मी तुम्हाला, तुमचं बरंच काम सांगायचं आहे. महाराष्ट्र हा शब्द सर ह्युअन स्टँगने सांगितलेलं की आहे म्हणून. Maharashtra has hundreds of private colleges and universities. Maharashtra was a pioneer in the development of agriculture cooperative societies after independence. So तुम्ही बोलताय तर मी कट शॉर्ट करतो, तुमच्यासाठी ठेवतो सगळं. So we have Reno merchant, Reno from Khandwala Securities. He will guide of raising capital from share market. Athade sir, Lokhande sir and Raviraj sir will give smart teams to grow your business and brand. Again, I would like to thank VC Dr. Sushma Kulkarni Madam and Kashyap sir, Dean Dr. Jonathan Koner sir, and all the staff and students of NICMAR for giving such an opportunity to Artha Sanket. We are looking forward for long-term concrete relationship with NICMAR. Before signing off, one last question. अगर इसका भी आप आंसर दोगे तो मुझे अच्छा लगेगा. What did the contractor do when his wife said? Wife के बारे में सोच कर जवाब देना. What did the contractor do when his wife said she loved heavy metal music? What did the contractor do when his wife said she loved heavy metal music? Anyone? He took her to the construction site. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Amit sir. Sir, already exam में और आप भी questions पूछ रहे थे, but चलो, thank you so much. But give him a big round of applause, sir. के लिए जोरदार तालियां बजनी चाहिए. Thank you so much.